In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files or emails for a user in Google Workspace Admin. To get started, open the Google Workspace Admin console and sign in with your administrator account. Make sure you are using an account that has the proper admin permissions, because standard user accounts won't be able to access the data restoration tools. Once you are signed in, you'll be working from the main admin console dashboard. Before you begin the restore process, it's important to understand one key limitation. Google Workspace admins can restore a deleted user's Gmail or Google Drive data only within 25 days of that permanent deletion. So if you are trying to recover emails or files, timing matters. If the request falls outside that window, the restore option may no longer be available. From the left side of the admin console, click the menu to open the navigation panel. In that menu, select Directory, and then choose Users. This will take you to the list of user accounts in your organization. Here, you will want to locate the user whose data needs to be restored. If you have many users, take a moment to carefully identify the correct account so you restore data for the right person. Once you find the user, point to their name to reveal additional actions. Click More Options, and then select Restore Data. This opens the data recovery window where you can define exactly what you want Google Workspace to recover. Next, choose a date range. This date range should fall within the last 25 days based on when the data was permanently deleted. Selecting the most accurate range can help improve the chances of restoring the specific content you need without pulling in unnecessary data. After that, go to the application field and choose either Gmail or Drive, depending on whether you want to restore deleted emails or deleted files. When everything looks correct, click Restore. Google Workspace will then begin the recovery process for that selected application and date range. Depending on the amount of data involved, it may take a little time for the restored content to appear in the user's account. So don't worry if it isn't visible immediately. As a final tip, double-check the selected user, date range and application before confirming the restore. That helps avoid mistakes and saves time if you are handling multiple recovery requests. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.